Hi, my name is Simon Locke. I'm the founder and CEO of CommunicationsMatch. Today I'm with Melissa Daly. Melissa is the president of MFD Communications, a firm that specializes in messaging. Melissa, many people talk about the importance of messaging, but you've made it a core focus of your practice. Why is messaging so important to successful communications?
So the very idea of communications is that there is a goal in mind, whether it be for a product or an initiative or an idea. The basis for all communication should be key messaging. And key messaging needs to be clear, concise, and consistent across the organization and anyone talking about a specific topic. And those messages should be understood by a broader audience so that all key stakeholders can understand them and follow them and walk away really understanding what it is you're trying to say.
What are the keys to developing and implementing messages that really achieve communications objectives?
So it's very important when we're putting together key messages, first is to understand the entire landscape. What our peers are doing, our competitors, what regulatory environment we're operating in, what the media is saying about us, what our investors are talking about, what's really important with our key audiences. So the first step is, again, to really touch on what will people understand, what will resonate with your audience, and what can they walk away with. It goes beyond just what we want people to hear and what we want to say. It really boils down to getting core themes that are repeatable and understandable.
Great. In a digital world, how important is repetition of messages across a range of platforms?
We believe that consistency in messaging has always been important. Repetition is also important. We take the approach that our audience is not just going to read every single article or presentation that you're a part of. We want to hit as many touch points as possible when it comes to our audiences. So in order to do that effectively, we have to reach all these different audiences through different platforms. And in order to get our message out, we need to have a consistent message spread out in every touch point. So the digital component has added speed and another distribution outlet. So we have to understand that more and more people will be seeing our message, thus it's more important that it be consistent. What we don't want to do is change our messaging just because the platform has changed. The core of what we're saying should always be consistent.
Terrific, Melissa. Thanks very much indeed.
Thanks for having me.
Pleasure.